morning, everybody. This is Kiddo's Corral, and I'm Heidi, and I hope you all are having a fantastic day. So I'm up early this morning in my parents' kitchen, thumbling around because I have no idea where anything is. But we're going to give this recipe a go. I'm going to make some pumpkin bars today with an icing. I thought this would be a perfect recipe for Thanksgiving time, and also too all through the holiday season. I love pumpkin, as you probably already can tell by my channel, because I have a lot of pumpkin recipes. I made a pumpkin cheesecake, a pumpkin bread, a pumpkin roll. So all of those recipes I will keep in mind to list the links down below in the description box in case you all want to check those recipes out as well. The full written out recipe for these pumpkin bars will also be listed down below if you're interested in making them. I like to put my recipes below the video because that way you all can copy and paste it, print it out, and have it, you know, for your little cook nook. So let's get started. In my large mixing bowl right now, I have all-purpose flour, I have sugar, and all I want to do is whisk my dry ingredients together, just making sure that they're all combined. And in this small bowl, I have cinnamon, salt, baking powder, and baking soda, and I'm going to add that to this bowl and make sure that this is well and combined. That cinnamon smells really good. Now I'm going to get a second bowl, and I am going to mix my wet ingredients, and I'm also going to go ahead and preheat my oven. Wet ingredients, and so we're going to start with our eggs first. And I'm going to give these a good whisk. And break those eggs up really good. I like to beat them until they're just a little bit pale. So I'm going to add in my vegetable oil. And I'm going to add in, I'm going to get me a large spoon here. I'm going to mix in my canned pumpkin. That smells good. I love the way pumpkin smells. And this is pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie mix. There is a difference. Okay, now I want to give this a good mix. Now I'm simply going to combine my wet ingredients with my dry ingredients. Now I have a 9x13 pan, and I just want to spray this with a non-stick cooking spray just to ensure my bars will not stick to the pan. Your oven needs to be on 350 degrees. And we're just going to pour this pumpkin pie mixture right into this 9x13. Trying to get all of that goodness out of this bowl. Now, while this is baking in the oven, you want to go ahead and lay out your cream cheese and your butter for your frosting. Now that I have my batter put into my 9x13 that has been sprayed with cooking spray, I'm going to bake it in the oven at 350 degrees for 30 minutes, and then you want to allow them to cool completely. Pumpkin bars just came out of the oven. It took exactly 30 minutes to bake. As you can see, it comes up like a cake. It smells really, really good. I'm going to let this cool, and then I will be back to show you how to make the icing. I have a half a cup of margarine and 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese. I want to use my handheld mixer. You can do it by hand, but I highly suggest you use a mixer because you'll get it combined even, creamier. So I'm going to go ahead. My butter and my cream cheese are at room temperature. I'm going to go ahead and add in a splash of vanilla extract. And I am going to get my powdered sugar out, and you're going to want to add 1 cup at a time using the mixer just to make sure that it's good and whipped together. I'm ready to frost my pumpkin bars. Now this frosting is sort of on the thick side because these are bars. This is not necessarily a cake. And I just like to put dollops around, and then I use the back of a spoon to spread it out. But if you have a spatula that you prefer, you can use that. Now it's all iced. I hope you all enjoyed this very simple recipe to make some pumpkin bars. You can take these already sliced, or you can take it like this, whatever you want to do. I am looking so forward to eating this icing off this spoon as soon as I'm done shooting this video. But thanks so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and I'll be talking to you all again soon.